Hi everyone. So a question I get asked quite often is it possible to heat transfer press onto a waterproof backpack? I have a QS573 here. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to print onto this type of bag and hopefully show you that it's not as difficult or scary as it might seem. So the main question I get asked when it comes to printing bags like the QS573 and other waterproof backpacks is how will the heat affect the material? Will it affect the waterproof qualities of the bag? Now inside the bag, the material is TPU coated interior. TPU is a heat sensitive material, so the only thing you need to be aware of when it comes to heat transfer printing onto a bag like this is the sides must be separated when printing. TPU tends to stick together when heated, so just separate the sides while you're pressing. This can be done with something like a non-stick Teflon cushion inserted inside, or by switching to a smaller heat press platen. I have the design I want to print here. Now this is a vinyl transfer, or you can use DTF. I'm going to mark where I want my design to be printed and put a small cross using a chalk pencil. This can now be taken to my heat press. I have the heat press set to 145 degrees. I've swapped the lower plate to a smaller one that I can fit the whole bag onto. Like I mentioned before, if you can't swap to a smaller plate, you can place a Teflon cushion inside just to separate the sides. So I'm going to hook the bag onto the plate so the plate itself lies inside the bag. And just maneuver it around so it lies as flat as possible and the zip and buckles lie off the plate. I can now attach the vinyl transfer on the mark I previously made and secure it with a piece of heat-proof tape. I can do any final adjusting now. And place over a sheet of Teflon. This protects the material from the direct heat as well as distributing the heat. So I'm going to press the area for 15 seconds using a medium pressure. Like I mentioned, it's set to 145 degrees Celsius. Once that's done, I can open the heat press and remove the bag. I'm just going to let the area cool slightly before removing the transfer backing. Any marks on the chalk pencil should fade over time. But there we have it. A really easy way to print onto the QS573 waterproof roll top backpack without any issues.